Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the circular ceramic vessel bathroom sink, and this one is in white and it has an overflow, and we are also going to replace it. It is made by Deer Valley, and that's the part number, and that's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like, and that's the overflow, and it's really nice. So let's go ahead and replace the old one with this one. As you can see, this is the older one, and there is nothing wrong with this old one. It just happens to be here for quite some time and just wanted to change the color. The first step to do so is to go under your vessel or your sink and remove everything that's down here. The reason behind that is we're gonna disconnect this elbow, and when we do, water is gonna come down. So get a small bucket or a container to hold that water. It's just a small amount of water. It's just right here. So I got this container. It's kind of big, but it's gonna hold the water. So let's loosen this side. As I'm taking this apart, you can hear the water coming down. So now let me do the other side. It dropped in the bucket, and it's not a lot of water, but it's enough so you don't want to clean that. Now that we have this off, you can take this other part from here. So while I'm holding this, I'm loosening this off, and once you have this off, this comes out. So let's put this in the bucket. We can slide this down and off. Now the only thing that's holding this vessel to down here is this ring off, and that's what's keeping it from coming out from the other side. And if the entire thing turns like you see it here, then what you need to do is take this off, put some pressure here with one hand, and while with the other hand you unscrew this. And if it's kind of hard to take this off, then what you can do is grab some of these pliers, grab the entire thing like that, and then with the other hand grab onto here. And now that we have this off, then there's nothing to hold it down. Now you can go ahead and push this up, and then on the other side you could just go ahead and grab this, take it off, and then finally this comes out. And this one came with this, and then this ring that's just there just to hold it, but it's been there for years, so that's why I needed to give it a little push. And we're gonna clean this up. To install the new vessel, all you have to do is sit the vessel on top of that hole. So I had to take this apart because there is no rubber piece here. So what you can do is probably grab some silicone and put it around here so the water does not come out from between here and here. Another option, what I'm going to do is grab one of these rubber pieces. It's just like this one, but it's from the previous pop-up drain, and I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of there. Make sure it's flushed like that, and then your pop-up drainage, it comes together in the right order. So just unscrew this here and take this off, and this is going on the bottom while the rest of it is gonna sit on top. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in there, and then on the bottom part you're gonna go ahead and first put this on there, then the washer, and then lastly this. Now that you have this all the way in there, I tighten it with my hands. If you want to use a tool, go ahead and make it a little bit tighter. Not too tight, you don't want to break the vessel because it's made out of ceramic. But the point is having this little rubber piece be flushed and squeezed a little bit so water does not come through the other side. Make sure that this is tight also. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the elbows back. For now, the first thing is this piece. If you get a chance, make sure that you clean the drainage. This is one part which was a little bit dirty. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this back. It goes like this, and then the second piece goes like that. And then go ahead and screw that in there. We're gonna go ahead and put this elbow, and we're gonna go ahead and slide this over and tighten this up. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and put this. So what we did is we grab this piece, put the ring in between this and this part, you make it tight. Here the same thing, there's a ring between, and then lastly this. So you have all the pieces together. That's how you replace the vessel. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.